In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain blog website on Wix 2026 guide. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated blog address connected to your Wix site while keeping your brand consistent and your editorial content easy to manage. Start by opening your browser and heading to wix.com. Log into your account, then in the site's dashboard, select the specific website you want to work with. It's important that this site already has the Wix blog feature enabled. That's what powers your posts, categories, and the blog feed. If the blog is active, you'll typically see blog or blog posts available inside your site tools. If you don't see it, pause here and enable the blog on this site so everything we connect later has a place to live. Next, move into your domain controls. From the left-hand menu, go to Settings, then open the Domains section. This is your hub for anything related to your web address, whether you're connecting a domain you already own or purchasing a new one that's dedicated to your blog. If you already own a domain, choose the option to connect an existing domain and type in the domain name to claim it. This is great if you plan to route a specific blog address to your Wix site. Follow the prompts so Wix can recognize and prepare the connection. If you don't have a domain yet, you can search for and purchase one directly through Wix. For a blog-focused address, consider a .blog extension, such as your brand blog. Type your desired name followed by a blog and select Let's Go to check availability. Keep it short, on brand, and easy to remember. If your first choice isn't available, try a slight variation that still reads clearly and matches your style. Once you've found an available option, click Get It to proceed to checkout. Complete the payment to officially claim and connect the domain to your site. During checkout, review the registration term and any privacy options offered. When the purchase is done, Wix will guide the connection so your new blog address points to the site where the Wix blog feature is enabled. In some cases, it may take a little time for the connection to fully propagate across the web, so don't worry if it doesn't switch instantly. That's it. You've accessed your Wix site, confirmed your blog feature, opened domain settings, and either connected an existing address or purchased a new blog-focused one, then finalized the connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.